So with the speedometer out of our way, I'm going to show you where to put a GPS. There's a ledge right there. That's what I would do. I wouldn't touch that ground. Run your wires, snake your wires down. You can drop them, and you can see the actual carpet in the bottom. Look, you can literally see my hand. Let's see if I can focus in my hand. You see? That little, oh, hello. You see? Drop the wires down, and let me show you. Since I already did a dash cam, I know where to attach power. We've got at the fuse panel power outlet number 1, 15 amps, and we did the hazards at 10 amps. And we grounded. Let me show you where everything I did previously on Lost. You see? With jumpers. These things came with the camera. You can buy them. They're online. Amazon. Fuse panel. And the ground is right over here. That little 10 mil bolt. I grounded it right there. That's your ground, but you can ground it anywhere you want, you see? But there you have it. We're going to tell you GPS is on you. Installation, this is just where to do it. It's where I would do it, right there. Have fun trying to get that. But on you. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.